This is new to the Jayco family for 2025. This is the Jayco Swift 20Y. It's on the RAM chassis. This is a really nice unit. 20 feet long, 9 inches. It's got an onboard generator. Nice little compartmental storage in the back. Easy access for all your extra gear. Trailer hitch. When we step inside, really nice flooring. 2 seat belts if you have some passengers, and a table. Both these front seats spin around. You can use that table, have some comfort for good conversation. Up over top, you've got a TV. Lots of overhead cabinetry for storage. This has got an onboard Truma heating system and water heating system. 2-burner gas cooktop. Microwave convection. Lots of counter space in this one. In your washroom, it's a complete wet bath. Got your sink, your toilet, your stand-up shower with a water miser for conserving your water while it's getting hot. And back here you've got a full-size bed. The rear of the coach is all screened in, so you can have your doors open, sleeping with the great outdoors with no bugs getting in. You've got a TV in the back as well. This is a great little unit. Again, this is the Jayco 2025 Swift. The model number is the 20Y. You can make an appointment with me, Mike Johnson, at Owasco RV Center. I'd be happy to show you around. My number to reach is 647-915-3015.